Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up your Samsung TV for the first time. This word for all models is almost the same, but in this case I'm using a QLED 8K TV. The first thing that you will be seeing is the start menu where you will be able to select your language, preferred language, in this case English. Now you have two options to set up your TV using your smartphone or using your remote control. In this case, I'm gonna use the remote control for this tutorial. Then you will be prompted to set up or auto set up any connected device that you have, like soundbars, cable box, or DVRs, right? So it will automatically recognize your device and set up the connection. Hit next. Then you will be prompted to find your internet connection, wireless connection, and put in your password. Once you put in your password, you hit on go. Then you will be prompted to agree to the terms, conditions, and privacy notice for Smart Hub. You click on OK, agree to all, and OK. And move to the next step. Since your TV has been maybe stored for so long in that store, it might not be updated to the latest software. So the best thing to do is to search for updates that they might appear here available for your TV and update your TV to the latest version so it runs fast and smoothly, right? So once you have checked that, click on next. Got it? You will be able to set up your Samsung account if you want to set up when, or you can hit later. In this case, you can set up through the website or through the remote control. Let's select remote control in this case. Once you have created a Samsung account, you're gonna have a user and it will look like this. If you want to put your name or anything and your password, you sign in, you will be able to enjoy applications that are also made for Samsung devices, right? So this is optional. You can skip that option in the previous step if you want also. Then you can also add more protection to your account by adding a two-step verification. You can be sent a text to your email address, the email address that you just created, put it here and click on done and then verify, and then you are signing. Got it? You can also add a Samsung user pin just to add up more security, verify your identity when using your Samsung account. That's just another layer, another security layer. You can also register your device in Samsung page, Samsung server, just to claim for customer service, promotions, and special offers that are only for registered users. You can register by using your serial number, which is usually behind your television. Now, if you have your television wall mounted, you can find it. You can find this in your box, your television box. Now, if you got rid of the box, there's another way that you can find it also on the screen. I'm gonna explain that on another video. Then register. You can also save your settings or back up your settings for when you restart your television, for example, or if you buy a new television, you can have your custom settings on the new television. So hit back up. In this screen, you can put in your zip code, and I guess this option is available for United States and also Canada. Not sure about other countries. With this option, you can find nearby service technicians that are certified by Samsung in case you have any issues. In this screen, you can set up your remote control to control your other devices. Let's say your cable box, your DVR, and any other devices that you might have connected to your television. So you don't have to have those 3 or 4 remote controls at the same time in your hands. Then you have two options for voice control, which are Bixby, which is made by Samsung, and Amazon Alexa, which is made by Amazon. You can select your favorite services below, sign up, or sign in using your mobile device or your PC. On this screen, you can gather all the applications that are your favorite applications. So to have them like one click away, all of them here, and then click on save. You can also adjust the brightness and the sound with this option if you want to enable now or enable it later. On the menu you can find it. It will adapt to the room environment. So sound will adapt to the room environment and the brightness also. And that's it. Your television is all set and ready to use. If you like this video, leave a comment and share with your friends.